Hello guys, welcome to Enest. In this YouTube series, I am going to discuss previous year GATE XCXL food technology questions. Okay, so the first question is if if there is a delay in oil extraction after bran is separated from the brown rice, okay, the quality of a rice bran oil deteriorates. Okay. Identify the suitable cause and effect for the deterioration of the oil quality. See, what all are the hints given in this question? Okay, delay in oil extraction. After brown rice, we are removing bran. So only germ and endosperm, right? So for this oil, it is mainly prone to lipase activity. And if it is majorly prone to lipase activity, so there is free fatty acid generated and there is a delay. It means free fatty acid is getting increased. Okay. So what can be the cause? The cause is the lipase activity and the effect means increase in FFA. That's why the oil quality is getting deteriorated. Okay. So what all are the options here? Option A, lipase activity increase in FFA. Option B, oil hydrolysis decrease in FFA. No, it is not. Option C, lipase activity. If lipase activity is there, decrease in FFA. No. And option D is bran stabilization, decrease in lipase activity. No. So the correct option is here, option A. Lipase activity is the cause and effect is an increase in FFA. So correct option is A. And please remember, with respect to rice, the major protein in rice is oryzanin. Okay. And the antioxidant, major antioxidant present in rice bran oil is gamma oryzanol. Okay. So here the correct option is option A. Okay. In the next question, among the following, which is or are the processes that lead to generation of new fats from existing ones? Okay. Suppose cis is the natural form is there, right? If esterification takes place, ester form when acid and alcohol is getting react. So minus H2O, it will form ester. So when ester form and there is a change from cis isomer to trans isomer, so in this thing, new fats will form from the existing one. So this process is trans esterification. Yes. Degumming? No. No. Degumming means the removal of gums. Hydrogenation. Yes, with respect to hydrogen. New fats can be formed from existing one. And winterization, no, it's a change in crystals. That is alpha, beta, and beta prime. Okay, change in crystals. So during winter, the coconut oil is getting clumped due to winterization. So trans-esterification and hydrogenations are the processes that lead to the generation of new fats from existing one. So here the correct option is option A and option C. Okay. Question number 3, it's a numerical question. What all are given? The true density is given as 1280 kg per meter cube, and the bulk density is 740 kg per meter cube. Bulk density is less than true density. Okay. So what's the value for porosity? It is a very simple formula. So what we know, the porosity formula is 1 minus bulk density by true density. Okay. So 1 minus 740 by 1280. Cancel out 37, 64. So 64 minus 37 by 64. 27 upon 64 is 0.42. Okay. So it is rounded up to 2 decimal. Actual the value is 0.421875. Up to 2 decimal means 1. It is there. So it is 0.42. Okay. So the correct option is 0.42. Okay. So if please remember this formula, this is a very important formula. The formula for porosity is 1 minus bulk density by true density. Okay. And please remember this bulk density by true density ratio is less than 1. Okay. So next question. Next question is, which of the following is or are inhibitors of enzymatic browning in peeled potatoes? Please remember for enzymatic browning, the end product is melanin. Okay, melanin. So inhibitors means that can restrict the enzymatic browning. So citric acid is a natural class 1 preservative. Definitely an inhibitor of enzymatic browning. EDTA. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid or ethylene diamine tetraacetate. It's a metal chelator which can chelate the metal ion and restrict for the binding. It is also an inhibitor of enzymatic browning. Ascorbic acid, it is vitamin C, a natural antioxidant. It can also prevent the enzymatic browning. But what about mannitol? Mannitol is basically a sugar alcohol. Does not responsible for the enzymatic browning or does not inhibit the enzymatic browning. Okay. So here the correct options. The major inhibitors of enzymatic browning in peeled potatoes are option A, citric acid, option B, EDTA or ethylene diamine tetraacetate or acetic acid, or option D, ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Okay. Now, the next question is again a very important question from size reduction. Okay. So in a typical grinding operation, 80% of the feed material can pass through a sieve It means it follows the bond law, Bond's law. Okay, 80%. This is the catch here. If you are finding any question, there mentioned is that 80% of the feed material can pass through a sieve, so which follows a bond law, sieve opening of 4.75 millimeter. It means XF or feed particle size is 4.75 millimeter. Okay. Whereas 80% of the ground product can pass through a 0.5 millimeter opening. XP is 0.5 millimeter. If the power required to grind is 2 tons per hour, P equals to 2 tons per hour of the feed material. Sorry, this is the feed, and power is 3.8 kilowatt, then the work index. Okay. So what do you know? Bond law, energy equals to power by feed equals to 0.3162 into work index into 1 by under root xp minus 1 by under root xf, right? So here we know all the values. Power is 3.8 upon feed, it is 2, equals to 0.3162 into work index into 1 by under root 0.5 minus 1 by under root 4.75, right? Okay, so it is 1.9 equals to 0.3162 multiplied by work index multiplied by this value. I'm getting 0.955382, right? So Wi equals to 1.9 upon 0.3162 multiplied by 0.955382. Okay, so I am getting 6.29001900. It means we need to round it up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so up to this. So the work index is 6.29. It is the answer. Okay, so work index of the material is 6.29. I hope this is pretty clear to you. This is a very simple question. Bond law application. And bond law is very important size reduction point of view. Okay, bond law application. I hope all the questions explanation are pretty clear to you. And if you guys found this video helpful and informative, do like, share, and subscribe our channel, Enest. Thank you guys. Bye bye.